Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Microsoft Loop desktop app. Now, Microsoft Loop is a collaborative application that brings together teams, content, and text across your tools and devices. So to get started with the Microsoft Loop desktop app, these are the steps that you need to follow. First, open your web browser, and from the web browser in the search bar, just type Microsoft Loop. And from here, you have to navigate to the official Microsoft Loop website, which you have here, Microsoft Loop Collaborative App, Microsoft 365, to allow them to find you. So click on that because you may have suggestions. Let's just be sure that you're using the right URL. So go ahead and take note of this URL to be sure that you know what you're doing. Now on the Microsoft Loop homepage, just go ahead and look for the Get Started with Loop section, which is here. Now click on Get Started with Loop. And it's going to take you to the next window. In the next window, I'm sorry, I've already subscribed to Loop, so that's why it feels like it just has this whole thing. I'm already in Loop, but okay, let's say you are not in Loop and you click on Get Started with Loop. It's going to take you to the next window where you're going to see the Download for Windows button. So just go ahead and click on it. Just click on Download for Windows to download the installer. Okay, so you'll see the download for Windows button. So go ahead and click on it to download the installer. But in case you do not find it and you click on Get Started with Loop, it might just go straight to the point where you'll be asked to sign in. So just go ahead and sign in, create your account, and you get right into the desktop app itself. So once you find the download for Windows, that's once you find it, or in case you find it, just go ahead and click on it to download. Now, once the download is complete, locate the installer file, usually in your downloads folder, and double click it. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After installation, you can now open Microsoft Loop from your desktop shortcut or by searching for it in the Start menu. Upon launching the app, go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account to start collaborating. Alternatively, if you don't just want to head over to the website, right in the search bar of your browser, you can type Microsoft Loop free download and install on Windows. So that's Microsoft Loop. Sorry about that. So just go ahead and click on Microsoft Loop for desktop. And once you click on that, so it takes you here in the Microsoft Store. So this is Microsoft Loop. Now select download from this option. And once you select download from the option, you see that it's going to be downloaded. After it is downloaded, check the downloader here to see the progress. You can see that that is done. So now click on it, the installer file. And now it says retrieving information from Microsoft Store. I'm just pretty much going to wait for it and click on install. Sorry, my system is compatible, so just go ahead and start your downloading process. So just wait out. I'm sorry, my voice is saying do not speak, but I'm just pretty much going to stay. Okay, I don't know how long this is going to take, but let's just wait a couple of minutes. Oh, it's done. So it didn't even take time at all. So this opening Microsoft Loop and we're in. So I was using the website version, but this is pretty much a desktop app, and these are the alternative methods that you can take to ensure that your Microsoft Loop app is up and running. So I'm going to maximize this and I'm going to click on Get Started. And about Get Started, I'm going to sign into my account. Ensure you have a Microsoft account. If you do not have an existing one, go ahead and click on Create One. But I do have an existing one. And no. This is not the... Okay, so I'm just going to sign in, and after signing, that's just all. So you can just go by the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously